Well, thanks for joining us. I really appreciate you signing up on our website. This is something that is a passion of mine. I've been doing fixed income for 30 plus years, 33 to be exact. And I have been trading in this one asset class, municipal bonds, primarily high grade municipal bonds, certainly for the last 20 years. I've been through a lot of things in this market. Meredith Whitney, obviously 9/11, of course, COVID, 2008, 9, and 10, obviously what we just experienced with inflation over the last 2 or 3 years. So we've traded through all of this stuff. I've traded through the Detroit bankruptcy, Orange County bankruptcy, Washington whoops. If any of those names mean anything to you at all, then you need to be talking to us because of the fact that guess what? We've traded through all of that stuff. I read today on Bloomberg and CNBC and Wall Street Journal about different people that have been in business 10 years, 20 years, 25 years. I've been doing this 30 plus years with our team. We have traded through all of the markets. We're going to give you honest feedback. If you're looking for a yield that's not simply achievable, we're going to tell you that. And we want to do business with you, but we're going to be honest with you as well. If you're looking for something that we can provide and we're going to provide with optimal service, outstanding customer relationships, then that's who we are for sure. Not to mention best execution and getting you the best product out there for sure. We're a broker dealer. All of our assets are custodied at National Financial Services, which is a wholly owned subsidiary of Fidelity Investments. So you can feel safe about having your assets custodied with us for sure. It's not DRL Group, it's NFS, National Financial Services, who your assets are custodied with. One last thing I want to tell you is that we put up publications twice a week. We normally do it on Thursdays and Tuesdays. Thursdays is more of a market commentary as far as what's going on in the market. What should you expect? What the Fed is talking about, what interest rates are doing. And we touch on a little bit of global economics as well, but we primarily stick with overall thought processes here in the United States. Tuesdays, we typically put out offerings, say an outlier, for example, we'll put that on Tuesdays. We also put that out as we buy them as well. If you're looking for specifics, we have a lot of California and New York clients as a good example. I understand that you guys living in those states, you are paying a tremendous amount of taxes, both federal and state. We're catering to those clients. We're looking for specific paper during that, say, regime, California and New York, and we will find you that paper based upon what your needs are. So I encourage you to give us a call, send us an email, help us understand what you're looking for. And once we have that relationship with you and once we have that dialogue with you, I assure you we're going to be able to do the best job we can. If you don't like us, you don't like us, but I have a feeling you're going to really like us from the standpoint of saying, hey, these guys are straight shooters. We give you the best advice we possibly can at the time. We've been doing this obviously for a long time, and we really want to make a good relationship last. And that's the key. So we look forward to working with you. Cheers.